God, I hate to be that kind of YouTube character, but look forward to seeing you then. Oh, welcome back, everybody. Jen Scott here, as always, with Scott Speech Up, and it's dark because you're here, because you survived, and you went through that week, basically the equivalent of the 3 days of hell we've all been through, to hear that one run. And if you're here, then you're right here with me, because everything you're about to witness will be the first time I'm witnessing it as well in the video. So hopefully everything goes well. We have the timing and tuning wizard master Tall John here from Tall John's Fun Shop. Don't forget to check him out on YouTube. Yeah. He's got really good videos, and he's going to have his coverage on some of the special mods we did inside of this thing. This W2 head 340 Chrysler small block with a tunnel ram and two 750 annular booster, solid roller camp setup, blah, blah, blah. If you're fresh, if you're new to this. So let's get the timing light on her. Let's get her fired up, and let's see just how well she is going to run for us.
All right, let's see if we can get started again. I don't know where the timing is at again, but...
Oh, do we need the half inch?
No, yeah. I started that. I got the firing order wrong. I got one of them switched.
Oh no.
Okay, so...
Don't worry, that won't make the cut. Tall John fucked up firing order, small block Chrysler. I got the firing order backwards. I'll take that blame for you.
No, it wasn't. I got a couple wires mixed up.
I did it. I'll take that.
Let's get this run around and find our mark.
Okay.
And, oh, you know what? This ain't gonna work.
No, because the
because it's a 69 cover with a 70
balancer
on it.
Yep.
All right. Well, we're just gonna get it close.
Hey, we can get it up to TDC. We'll put my timing tape on it.
Well, we ain't gonna be accurate with that. We should have did that when the engine was apart, where we could guarantee number one.
Yeah.
So we're on there. So we're close now.
Yeah.
But we'll wiggle it around. We're going to earball it because we can't ping it. It's idling. It's on a stand.
Yeah.
So you're perfectly safe. So then what's going to have to happen is you'll have to get some way to indicate this thing to 0.
Yeah.
And then mark that pulley and we'll be good to go.
Yeah.
You go ahead and hit that.
at the new shop. First fire, first light. It sounds like a freaking dyno cell in there. Okay. I want you people to truly understand the power of Mopar fucking friendship. Dude.
This is what it takes.
Fuck yeah, fucking run. Yes. You did good wiring. Anna, you did whatever the fuck you did. Woo. Back to the 340. If you guys enjoyed any of this at all, subscribe to Tall John. I'm gonna go sleep now. I'm tired.
Yeah.
And the fumes.
Hey, W2.
W2, solid cam, tunnel ram, dual annular carb. That's a solid roller yet?
I don't know, but that's necessary. Solid roller.
Solid roller.
That's right, it's not that 2,000 RPM wasted time braking.
Yeah. Right to action. So, as always, guys, I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye. Overall, everybody, in case I decide to throw this in at the end, this is what true hot rodding. This isn't just Mopar specific. This is just true car guy stuff. Get out there in the garage, throw an engine together with your buddies and make some freaking memories. That's what we did in this 3-day weekend we've been planning. We overcame hurdles. We didn't have a fuel pump eccentric. We had to destroy my original my 70 Chargers 318 timing cover to get one. All right, well, that's what it took. I'm sorry, Jezebel's original 318, but, and what else do we, the freaking...
Well, the crank was originally installed in a 4-speed car, so...
Yeah, the crank was a 4-speed.
Modify the converter to put that into the end of the crank.
Yeah, the crank was the original 340 4-speed crank, and the pilot for the torque converter wasn't the right size, at least for the torque converters we had. Once that converter comes off, we'll do some measuring and see if that's maybe some mid-year thing. But yeah, so putting a converter on it, that was a hurdle. Then getting converter bolts, it was just a bunch of stupid, silly things.
We had not the wrong oil pump, just a bad one.
Yeah, we had a crappy oil pump. This brand new oil pump I bought, it's just your typical freaking small block oil pump. And it was hitting. It had this like extra big chunk of casting right there. And we ended up having to clearance the crap out of it until, well, that happened. We broke. And then luckily I already had another one saved back. Thank you, Andrew. And
we had a piston with a nick.
We had a piston ring land that had a nick in it. We fixed that. So, It happens. But I mean, overall, my freaking valve cover bolts ain't leaking. The valve covers ain't leaking. The engine is not leaking a drop. It's the 20, or I'd love to call it a $20 radiator from the swap meet, but it was way more than that. But overall, guys, get out there in the garage, have fun, go check out these other cool YouTube people. Daniel at Red Beer Racing 710, Tall John at Tall John's Fun Shop. Of course, Brian at Dust Devil, who unfortunately did not make it, but you know what? He's here with us. He's here with us in spirit. So,
He wanted to be here.
he really did. And we wanted him and Sherry to be here because, you know, they're our great friends. But you know what? Crap happens. This won't be the last time we get to do something like this. As always, before seeing you guys in the next one, as always, take care. Now we just gotta stand here for a second. Wait, oh wait, there we go. Dad, you gotta get in it.
And you gotta give me.
Yeah, and okay, now we all gonna be like weird. Now we're gonna be like. Okay, we gotta do our fucking TV personality, guys. Okay. All right, Tall John.